Hello everyone, in this lesson we will make our second program, that is a real world calculator. We'll make our very own calculator. To make a calculator we need two variables first to receive the input from the user. That is, we will receive the numbers to be added or subtracted or multiplied or divided. Let them be int x and int y. Now we'll need a character variable to receive our operator. Okay, now we have all our variables. Now we need to receive each of them. Cout, enter the numbers, enter the numbers. Now we will use a cin statement to receive the value of x and y. Alright, now we need the operator. So cout operator is, and we'll receive the operator ch. Alright, now we also have the code to receive the input. Now all we need to do is use our if statement. If ch equal to plus. Now equal to it will compare the equivalence. Now one single equal to sign will initialize ch with plus. Now double equal to signs will check for equality. It will check whether ch is plus. Now if ch is plus, cout x plus y. Now we will copy this code and we'll instead of typing it all over again, we'll just replace the operators. Minus multiplication operator, and finally our division. Okay, so here's our code. Now let's run this and check. We missed out the semicolon here. Alright, now let's compile it. Okay, our two numbers are 28 and 35. Operator is plus and 63. It's working perfectly. Now this time we'll try multiplication. 100 into 56 into and 5600. So now you can see that our calculator is working perfectly using the if statement. In our next lecture we will make the same calculator using the switch statement, which is also a conditional statement. We'll move on to that in our next lecture. See you there.